I got Adolpho up on the rollback truck here. I got to do some painting in the booth. So I got to get the booth clean. I am running Adolpho on the rollback truck. I didn't want to mess up the paint booth. But it fired up just perfect. Let's go take a look at it. It's been a pig. Okay. Radiator is just starting to seep. Almost 40 pounds of oil pressure, and temperature's coming up now. Okay, Adolpho, everything is going good. We're still breaking it in. We're going to run it about 30 minutes and then drop that break-in oil out of there and put the Shell Rotella 1540 in there. Sounds good. Good oil pressure, good temp. There's that new radiator you got. It's cooling just perfect. And it's running good. Okay guys, here is Adolpho's grill that was really mangled up, and I just about got it straightened out now. Adolpho, we're going to start painting you maybe tomorrow. We'll do some sanding and then we'll start painting over the next week or so. So things are coming together. I got all your little parts sandblasted in an epoxy primer, and got you a new windshield frame. And your hood is new, and fenders and stuff. That stuff wasn't really worth saving that you brought me. But this is all going olive drab, and we'll get busy painting everything. And it'll come together pretty quickly. The startup, I tried to show you what I can. It was kind of crazy doing it on the back of the rollback, but I don't like to start stuff in the paint booth. So that's why we did it there, and we'll go take a look at that next. Okay guys, I picked up another trailer yesterday, and as you can see, Adolpho, I'm going to keep you in this trailer here for a little bit until I get you finished painted. That'll keep the, I won't have to worry about having you outside or anything. But you're in the trailer for now. I got the wheels for the welder Jeep in here too, because they were in the paint booth. But that's where you're going to sit now for a week or so till I get you painted. Everything worked out okay. The gauges you brought me, Adolpho, did not work. The temperature gauge did not work. I had to put another one on there. The oil pressure did not work. You saw my startup oil pressure gauge on there, and that worked. So I'm going to have to get you some new gauges. I've still got to get you some tires. And you know, there's still a lot of work to do. I did just get your inner windshield back, and I'll show you that next. Okay, Adolpho, there is your inner windshield frame. I had pre-painted that so that when the glass guy put the glass in, it would already be painted. You're all set with glass now. We'll put this to the side, and I'll get busy painting the rest of the stuff. But there is the paint color. And pretty soon everything will be that color and sitting on your chassis. So I'm jamming on it. Hopefully have some time to get you finished up pretty quickly. Okay guys, been kind of a crazy day, but this F-head is the next guy to get started up. I just took all the stuff off of Adolpho's engine, all my startup stuff, my gauges and everything, just kind of laying there. and the cables and stuff. So I'll get this guy hooked up and fired up and show you that one as well. And I'll be getting going on Adolpho's painting soon, and I will show you that as well. And a lot coming, but we're going to end this one here today. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.